Hi guys, it's Makeup Magic and welcome to my YouTube channel. This video today is going to be about mascara, but before we start, as this is my first video, I wanted to give you guys a quick overview of what my channel is going to be about. I'm going to feature makeup videos on single products and how to use them, such as like tutorials and so on, and how to put those products into full looks such as alternative looks, glam looks, and everyday looks that you want to do before school and work. So if you like that content, make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment below any ideas or suggestions you have for what videos I should do. Now, let's get on with the video. As this is a video about mascara, I have my three mascaras here. I have my one from Yves Saint Laurent, I have my one from Maybelline, and I have my one from Rimmel. We're going to be putting all of these mascaras on and then comparing them to see what kind of looks they give. If they give a false eyelash look or a more simple minimalist look. And then you guys can decide which one you like best according to what kind of look you're going for. Because some days with a more like glam look, you may be going for more of a false eyelash look if you don't want to wear false eyelashes. But if you're just kind of like going to school and you kind of just want to put a little bit of makeup on, then a more minimalist look may be better. So we're going to be looking at these, and then at the end of the video, comment below what one you think is the best for you or what mascara you think is the best for the money. First mascara I decided to start off with today was the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift Mascara, and you can get this one easily from Boots, Superdrug, any of those kind of shops. They sell them in most kind of corner shops and such like that. So it's quite an easily accessible mascara. Now, funny enough, when I went into the shop, I went to Superdrug and I asked like which mascara would be the best one to kind of make my eyelashes look like false eyelashes, to make them pop the most, and the sales assistant recommended this one. She said it was the best one, and it was about £8 when I bought it, and as it's called Falsies Lash Lift, I was like, okay, I'll get it, I'll see how it looks and show you guys and we can see together, does it make your eyelashes look like false eyelashes? So let's look at the wand. That's quite nice. Kind of like, it's a nice wand. As well, when I get mascara out, I generally tend to do this across the top so then you don't get too much and it reduces the amount of clumps. Although this wand is a good wand, I prefer curved ones because they do reduce the amount of clumps. If you get ones with ones like this does generally tend to put more mascara on, so that's probably what they're going for with the Falsies eyelash lift type look. So if you want to reduce clumps though and you've got a brush like this, just wiggle it upwards and it should do it. So let's have a look. And then I'll do the other eye. So that's what it looks like applied. As you can see, it does make the eyelashes pop out a bit more and it makes the eyes pop out, but I wouldn't necessarily say that it gives a false eyelash look. So what it has been advertised as the Falsies Lash Lift, I would not say that it does, although it does give quite a nice look, but I'd say it was more of a minimalistic look rather than a false eyelash look. But for the price of around £8, I think that was pretty much worth it, especially as mascara generally tends to last ages. Like it can last up to like a year, which is pretty good. And I feel like for any makeup look this would fit, unless of course you're going for the false eyelash look. So let's look at the next mascara I decided to look at was the one from Rimmel. Now, Rimmel is quite well known for their mascaras as well, just like Maybelline. It was one of their first products, so I thought it would be a great one to feature in this mascara video. This is the Wonderful mascara from Rimmel. It's mascara with argan oil. Argan oil is actually one of the things that I've seen recommended on TikTok loads to put on your eyelashes to make them longer and thicker. So having a mascara with that sounds like a great idea. Also, the packaging is really nice. Like, I love that. It kind of makes it look all like posh and fancy and like way high end, so I really like that. So let's take it out. So this one has got a thicker brush and it's straight, there is no dips, the bristles are longer. Again, I'm going to do this. This one does not say it's going to give you a false eyelash look, so I'm not expecting that. So let's put it on. So this is the look that the Rimmel one gives. I feel like this one gives more of a false eyelash look than the other one, which says it would. So it kind of makes the eyelashes very separated, which we love. So the bristles in that brush were quite kind of like big, but they were separated, so I feel like that's what's given that look. So I didn't have to do much like declumping of that. I kind of like this one more. Like, it gives you more of a simple look, but also makes those eyelashes pop. So I really like this one. I think so far that I like this one more than the Maybelline one, but obviously we have another one to test out. What is your guys' favourite one so far? Put it in the comments. And then let's go and check out the last one from Yves Saint Laurent. Going to be looking at is the one from Yves Saint Laurent. As you can see, this one is in the most kind of like posh kind of professional packaging. It's got the logo, which looks very nice. It's very gold, kind of makes it look high end. As Yves Saint Laurent, this is the most expensive mascara. It was around £25 when I bought it, and as I bought it from duty free in the airport, it's probably more expensive online or in the shops. Yves Saint Laurent is not a brand that you can normally find in Superdrug or Boots. You'd have to go to a department store or go online. Generally, smaller shops don't feature this one. So let's look. Does this being more expensive mean it's a better mascara? So let's have a look at the brush. As you can see, this is a curved brush, which I said earlier I prefer curved brushes. It's because it reduces the amount of clumps. It has this kind of harder bit in the middle, which kind of kills the clumps off. The brush is quite nice, and let's have a look at what it looks like on. So this is the Yves Saint Laurent mascara, and this is what it looks like on. Funnily enough, out of all of them, I think this one is the one that makes it look most like false eyelashes. It kind of makes them flick up, which I think is because of the curved brush, and it does really make it look like it has like mascara on. Obviously, I don't think any mascara is really going to make it look completely like your false eyelashes, although you can do things like put black eyeliner under the that bit and curl it with the eyelash curlers, which will probably help. But again, eyelash curling will drop throughout the day, and you'd have to probably reapply the eyeliner as it is in your the top waterline bit. But overall, I think I prefer this one best. Now, I know I said earlier that the Maybelline one is my favourite because I feel like it doesn't actually give you that false eyelash look like it advertises. It makes it not my favourite one anymore, and I feel like this one is the best one. As mascaras generally tend to last like up to a year, I think spending more money on a mascara is probably the better idea in this case because it will last you longer. So in the end, it's a better long-term purchase than maybe purchasing another one which is cheaper. Of course, if you like the other looks better, then go ahead and purchase those. All of the mascaras worked really well, to be honest. None of them were bad. But personally for me, I like the Yves Saint Laurent one the best. So in this sense, for me, spending more money would be a better idea because it gives me more of the look that I want. But I created this video to give you guys an idea so you can see which one you like best, and then you guys can go and purchase the best product for you. So comment down below which one that you prefer. So what did you think? Which one was your favourite mascara and why? Comment down below. Also, make sure to leave a comment on what videos that you want me to do next so I can take that into consideration and help you guys out on any like tips and tricks you want with makeup. Although in the future, I do want to go back to this mascara thing and create another video. Maybe one from like using mascaras which are like really cheap, like ones from the pound shop, like and stuff like that, to see maybe they could even be better than those ones there, like especially like the Yves Saint Laurent one, which is obviously the most expensive one. So hopefully in the future we can find that out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment, and make sure to check out my other social medias. I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.